This is a waterless recipe with low or no salt seasonings, unsweetened apple juice, unsalted broth and light version salad dressing. The finished result is a delicious pot of fiber and protein that can serve as a healthy entree. The ingredients are based on my family's preference. Feel free to adjust seasonings according to your taste. You can also change the amount of ingredients to make smaller servings. This recipe creates at least 6 servings. Leftovers can be refrigerated or frozen. Items used in this recipe: 4 bags of cut collard greens, 1 pound each. 2 bags of kale, 1 pound each. 2 bags of spinach, 1 pound each. 2 smoked turkey legs, 2 packages smoked turkey wings. Variety of vegetable seasonings. 1 box of unsalted chicken broth. Ken's light balsamic vinaigrette. Mott's apple juice, no sugar. Cookware used: 21 quart stock pot. Large vented cooking spoon. Pasta server spoon. Tongs. No. Tongs. Let's start by cutting the meat off of the turkey bones. With wings and drumsticks it's a little hard to do. But don't worry about getting all of the meat off. It will fall off during cooking. You can cut the meat into small chunks. This will allow the meat to blend in well with the vegetables. Sorry about the sliding cutting board. I used it on the wrong side. The leg is very bony. Do what you can to chop off the meaty areas and let the rest boil off. Place the meat in a bowl until you get the pot ready. Turn the burner on to medium-high heat, approximately number 6 or 7. Add the apple juice to about a quarter of the pot. Empty the box of broth into the pot. Add dry seasonings. If you add whole bay leaves, be sure to crunch them into small pieces. Add salad dressing. About a quarter cup. Add the bowl of meat, stir, let boil. "1700s of an hour later."
Chief, why not just say 10 minutes later?
I like to be different.
Girl, bye.
Add 1 bag of kale, push leaves into juice, cover and cook for 15 minutes. Add first bag of greens, stir, cover, cook for 15 minutes. Before adding more vegetables, pick out as much bone as you can. Some meat may still be on the bone, however if you like sucking meat off bone, just put it to the side and enjoy yourself. You may wonder why not use turkey breast. Well, turkey wings and legs are more fatty and flavorful. Add the second bag of kale. Stir, cover, cook 15 minutes. Stir, add more seasonings if desired. Add the remaining bags of greens, stirring between each bag, cook for 15 minutes, stir, then cook another 15 minutes. Add 2 bags of spinach, stir, cook for 15 minutes or until vegetables are at your preferred texture, as some may like their greens very tender. You can also remove bone at any time. I prefer to leave all elements in the pot until the cooking is finished. When you are satisfied with the tenderness of the vegetables, remove any remaining bones. You may have additional bones in your servings. Be careful when serving small children. Enjoy.